So we just picked up the dogs, Tonka and Cedar, from the shelter, and today we're going to go to do Furlong Bay. We are Cory and Wallace, an early retired couple that are getting ready to embark on a journey around the world. But before we take off, we are excited to share and document some of our favorite outdoor activities around our beautiful home, Terrace BC. Furlong Bay Provincial Park is a fantastic campsite that immerses you directly in nature. The campsites are nestled among the trees themselves. It's a peaceful and perfect place to camp, offering a serene escape into the wilderness.
What do you think, Cedar and Tonka? Ready to go?
Today we are taking Cedar and Tonka on the Twin Spruce Trail, which winds its way from the top of the campsite down to the water. We will be making our way from the parking lot up to the top of the campsite and then back down to the water. Furlong Bay boasts 164 campsites, while the entire Lakelse Provincial Park spans 354 acres of protected old-growth forest. Walking here, we truly feel blessed to be surrounded by towering cedars and the rich biodiversity that thrives in this incredible environment. Lakelse is derived from the Tsimshian language spoken by the Indigenous people of the Pacific Northwest. In the Tsimshian language, Lakelse is believed to mean freshwater mussel, reflecting the presence of these mussels in the lake. The name highlights the close connection between natural environment and cultural heritage of the Indigenous people of the region. This mushroom is chicken of the woods. It is a distinctive wild mushroom that is known for its bright yellow and orange color and meaty texture. It is often compared to chicken. It grows in clusters on hardwood trees, especially oak, and is most commonly found in late summer and early fall. There is a variety of wild berries that can be found along most trails in the northwest BC during the summer. Today we came across blueberries, huckleberries, and thimbleberries, which I took my time to pick and enjoy throughout the walk. These berries are a delightful way to enhance any summer hike.
This plant here is called Devil's Club. You definitely don't want to end up in it. Many people do, but I don't know if you can see the thorns, and they're all over the stem. In the northwest, that grows everywhere in the forest, so you really do have to be careful. These are thimbleberries. Miss Cedar walking off leash.
Cedar arrived at the shelter on April 10th, 2024 with 9 puppies after being abandoned. She was scared and insecure, and once her puppies were adopted, we were finally able to start taking her for walks. Cedar had a lot to overcome. She was frightened of the car and had never been taught to walk on a leash. As of this recording, we have been walking her 5 days a week since May 15th, 2024. She has made incredible progress and has gained a lot of confidence. We're hopeful that her forever home will come soon.
What do you think, Tonk?
Tonka arrived at the shelter on July 30th, 2024, after being found on the side of the road. We are unsure who brought him in, but we are grateful to whoever got him safely to the shelter. Tonka has a deep-rooted fear of people and new experiences. He tends to cower and try to run away when he is unsure. Though he is incredibly gentle, we suspect he might be cross-eyed, which affects his vision and adds to his anxiety. Since his arrival, we've been walking him 5 days a week, and he now looks to us and Cedar for comfort. He is very sweet and will make someone a wonderful companion once he settles in.
This is Lakelse Lake. This is the main beach area for campers. This is Furlong Bay. The other video that we did was Grouchies, and you can't even see it, it's like way over there.
Thanks for watching. If you've ever adopted a dog with a challenging past like Cedar or Tonka, we'd love to hear your stories. Let us know in the comments. Join us in the next video for more adventures.